A lot of you don't do well in the cleaning business because you're never prepared. That's just a fact. A lot of you don't do well in the cleaning business because you're never prepared. You never seize the opportunity. You never cease to examine the place that you are in. You never look at your environment because you have not trained your mind on preparation, because you don't know when the next opportunity will come for you. Let me tell you a story. So there's this building that I frequent. I go there all the time. It's an office space and I go there all the time. But I have never personally gone to the landlord or the owner of the building to sell my cleaning services to them, because I've seen people clean the building. I don't like how they clean the building, but I've seen it. And it's not a place where, because I go there and I do business there, I just decided that I will keep away. But what I've done over the last year and a half that I've been going into that building is I have always looked at the building and said, well, if I was cleaning this building, what will we do? How will I go about it, right? And I have prepared myself and examined the building, the cleaning problems in the building, and how I can resolve it. So yesterday I walked in and I saw the landlord, and I went to chit chat with him, see how he's doing, etc. And just when I was there, he started to ask me about the cleaning. And I was like, oh. So we started talking. I didn't say anything. We were talking. He asked me certain questions. Where are some of my locations? I didn't know this man was about to just ask. He was like, as we were talking, he said, so this building, if I was to ask you to clean it, tell me what would you do and how frequent would the cleaning be? And I told him, I didn't even miss my words. I tell you now, I kid you not. I told him, boom, this is what is needed. This is how frequent it will be. And this is how much it will be per month. And he was just looking at me. And then he said, well, how about my building 13 minutes from here, which is a bigger building? And I was like, well, we can do one of two things. If it is a bigger building than this, I can give you an estimation, but it will be best for me to just go there right now. He was like, oh, do you have time? I said, yeah, I have time. I was coming to do this, but just give me 5 minutes. Let me do it. Within 5 minutes, he gave me the address of the location. He hopped in his car. I hopped in my car. I was done with what I was doing in the building that I met him at. And I went and I bid it on that building. What is the point? I am always prepared. Even the new building that I went to, I've never been there. But because I am prepared, because I understand my craft, because I understand what I'm doing, I did not have to wait. After I looked at the second building, he pulled a chair. He's a gentleman, and he pulled a chair. I sat down with him, and we just started talking some more. And he was like, okay, when are you going to send me a quote? I was like, I don't need to send you a quote 2 days from now. And I could tell you the number. I could tell you what exactly we would do, the expectations you have of me. Of course, I would like to put something down, put something in writing. But what I'm going to put in writing is exactly what I am telling you now. Preparation. A lot of you are not prepared for important moments, or a lot of you don't get to experience life-changing situations because you were never prepared for them. This is why you need a coach. This is part of why you need a coach, because a coach teaches you how to prepare for a client that will walk in one day and say, hey, I need a bid on this 50,000 square feet building. What are you going to do? And that client doesn't have time to be lollygagging with you. They want to hear, they want to see what you want to do, how you're going to do it, and how much it will cost them. This is why you need a coach. And this is why I'll recommend that if this is you, then message me. If this is you, then message me. If you are a person that has already gotten started in your cleaning business and you realize that what I'm saying is true, that you need to learn how to prepare to become that cleaning business owner that you need to be, then message me, and let's talk about it. Let's see how. I know I can help you. I just want to see how and which areas that I could strengthen you in. But always prepare yourself, just so that when the moment comes, you can seize the opportunity. Good to see you, and see you around.